We are pleased to show you the 2016 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, lumbar support. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.